The latest consumer price index report sent Wall Street down a downward spiral. The Dow Jones dropped around 4%. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ also took losses. This is the worst single day on Wall Street since June of 2020, after the pandemic had already made plenty of impact. Yeah, Emil Michael joins us now. He's the chairman and CEO of DPCM Capital and a former chief business officer for Uber.
That's right. Emil, thank you for joining us. As we've been discussing, this CPI report seems to be driving the market down. Is this evidence that investors now assume not only will the Fed raise interest rates at least 75 basis points next week, but maybe again in November? How should we interpret all this red we're seeing today?
Yeah, I think that's right. I think the Overton window moved from 50 to 75 basis points to 75 to 100 basis points, which Larry Summers called for today to combat which was a surprisingly high inflation print today, even though gas prices are going down. So while gas prices have gone down dramatically in the last 90 days, food, rent, healthcare up. And therefore, the whole notion that inflation has peaked is going to become the new inflation was transitory, in my view.
Well, we're a week away, Emil, from what we expect will be yet another interest hike from the Fed. Does this all mean that it's not working, or that just more time is needed to see an impact?
I don't think it's working fast enough, and this may encourage the Fed to continue to increase. Like I said, instead of 50 to 75, 75 to 100, and maybe do another one in the following months. But the labor market is surprisingly still resilient. Wages are going up. There's still labor crunch. And until that labor crunch is fixed, you're not going to get massive reductions in inflation.
What else then is standing out to you, either in the CPI report or in what the administration is touting? I mean, we just watched President Biden, as Lilia said, doing like a victory lap on this legislation that's going to put more funding, right, into many projects across the country. You also have the infrastructure bill. That's funding tons of projects everywhere.
Possibly creating, I think Nancy Pelosi was saying 9 million jobs.
Yeah, it's like on one hand, they're celebrating this, but the fundamentals of the economy still seem to be moving. You say inflation is transitory. So what else is jumping out at you at the big picture?
Yeah, well, if you think about what happens when you put more money into the economy for infrastructure, for the CHIPS Act, for college loan forgiveness, and for the prices of rents going up because people are not buying homes due to increasing mortgage rates, all that is inflationary. The things that are deflationary, like tax increases, are small, and they haven't even started yet. So right now, all the things that he took the victory like for are largely inflationary, which is why the Inflation Reduction Act is not appropriately named for what its likely effect is in the near term.
Emil Michael, coming to us from a crazy housing market that, I keep hearing from so many friends in Miami. Things are pretty insane when it comes to renting in the house of
everywhere, really,
cost of living. Thank you so much, Emil. It's been great hearing you.
Thanks, Emil.
Thanks for having me. Have a good day.